Meaning of fibroid.
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 Fibroid. Fibroids are non-cancerous growths that develop in the uterus. They are also known as leiomyomas or myomas. Fibroids can vary in size and number, and they may cause symptoms such as heavy menstrual bleeding, pelvic pressure, and pain during sex. The exact cause of fibroids is unknown, but they are believed to be influenced by hormones, particularly estrogen and progesterone. Treatment options for fibroids include medications, surgery, or procedures such as uterine artery embolization. In severe cases, a hysterectomy may be necessary to remove the uterus.